Hello, this is your professor, Dr. Eric Mortensen. Today I want to talk about observational evidence in academic writing. Evidence is one of the key elements in a paragraph structure, so remember the tear paragraph. The second element is evidence. It's important. You need to have some kind of evidence, otherwise it's difficult for your reader to understand what you're saying and also to believe what you're saying or buy your argument. So we use evidence to do several things. Support our arguments and opinions, provide descriptive examples, establish an ethos of credibility with our reader, and appeal to an audience's emotions. So you should try to use a diversity of evidence when writing. And each of these bits of evidence should be tailored to the writing situations. Certain situations call for certain types of evidence. Let's take a look at those. So we have several different types. Let's take a look at each one in turn. So first is analogy. So this is, you probably already know what this is. This is basically comparing two ideas, objects, events, or actions. So on the left you have a topic sentence. Learning to write is about learning a skill and not about having a talent. And so, an analogy to that would support that as evidence would be, just as a basketball player would practice free throws to improve their accuracy, writers must also practice the skill of writing to improve their content organization and development. We also have hypothetical evidence, a likely scenario or an imaginary scene that supports your claim. You can read the topics on the left, and then the hypothetical evidence on the right that supports it. Anecdote is a story or narrative that relates to the topic. Again, you can pause if necessary, take a look at the topic sentence and the kind of anecdotal evidence used to support it. Here's a chance to practice what we've been talking about. You can create an analogy, hypothetical, or anecdote that supports the following topic sentence. To be successful writers, students must read and use the professor's feedback. Go ahead and pause if you need to. Okay, there's also descriptive examples where you offer facts, cases, models, or studies taken from observation. And again, you can see another example here on the right. And finally, lists, which is a series of related concrete examples. And this should be pretty familiar to you, but again, take a look. And again, try to practice one. Create a descriptive example or a list that supports the following topic sentence. When assigning a writing project, it is the professor's role to provide constructive feedback. So you can pause it if necessary. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact